So good evening everyone. This is our Uplet App project, the Employee Salary Calculator. So this is what our applet will look like. It has an employee name field, the daily rate name field, the overtime hourly rate, the holiday rate field, the total late deduction field, total absence deduction, total benefits deduction, the total days name field, the total overtime hours field, the total holidays field, the total deduction field, and the total pay field. Then we got a calculator, salary button, and a clear button. So we will first look at the code of our class. We got 4 methods in our class. The first one is calculate total, which has 2 parameters, int days, int hours, and double amount. We will first check if days is not equal to 0. If it is true, we will then return the product of day and amount. If else, if false, we will return the product of hours and amount. The second method is calculate salary. It has 2 parameters, the double salary and the double rate. Thus, this method returns the difference between salary and rate. The third method is the button calculate method. This is called every time the calculate button is clicked. We will first initialize these variables. The double rate daily is equal to the value of daily rate field. The double rate overtime is equal to the value of the overtime rate field. And the double rate holiday is equal to the holiday rate field. Then we declare a summary pay, summary deduction, the total daily, the total overtime, the total holiday, and total rate variables.
We then again initialize these double variables. So deduct late is equals to total late field, while the deduct absent is equals to the total absent field, and the deduct benefits is equal to the total benefits field. After that, we initialize these int variables. Work days is equals to the total days field, and work OT is equals to total OT or the total hours field. Next is the work underscore holiday. It is equals to the total holidays field. So the next one, we then have to initialize the total daily variable. So its value is equals to the result of calculate total method with the parameters of work days, 0, and rate daily. We also have to initialize the total OT variable. Its value is equals to the result of calculate total method with its parameters of 0, work OT, and rate OT. So we will also initialize the total holiday variable. Its value is equals to the result of calculate total method with the parameters of work holiday, 0, and rate holiday. We then also have to initialize the total rate variable. So its value is the sum of total daily, total OT, and total holiday. Then we have to calculate the total deduction and total pay by initializing these 2 variables. Summary deduction is equals to the sum of deduct late, deduct absent, and deduct benefits, while the summary pay is equals to the result of calculate salary with the parameter of work holiday and summary deduction. And finally, we have to set the text of our total deduction field to the value of summary deduction, and total pay field to the value of summary pay. The last method is button clear method, which is a method which is called whenever we click the clear button. So as we can see here. So this method will set our fields to blank. All the text fields will be set to blank, as we can see here. And that's it for our first applet frame text Java.
So after creating the applet class, we need to embed it to our browser because that's how applet work. So first is we need to build a project file which contains our applet class. So we can have the .jar file that we will need to embed our applet in the browser. After clicking build, you can then find the .jar file. In the Files tab, click the folder of your project and click folder for project and click this folder. Here you can see that a .jar file is produced. So next is we create a Java web application project. We will use this to embed our applet to the browser. Okay. So after create a Java web application project, we then right click on the project and select properties. We then go packaging, then we will click add project and locate the project folder of our applet class and click add project jar files. Since we already have added it to our web app, we will just close this window for now. So after adding, we will then click OK. We will then build our web application project. And as we navigate to the Files tab and click the Web Application folder, we will then go down to the Build folder, and then we will then see that the .jar file from our applet project is now there. So next is we will embed it to an HTML file. We go back to the Projects tab, click our web app project, and navigate to Web Pages and double-click index.html. Here, you can see that we have an applet element. It has a code attribute. This is the name of our project package and the name of our applet class. We also have an archive attribute which contains the name of our .jar file. So we also added some style to our index.html file. So we will now show you the final output for our app. So that will be all. Thank you.